Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the right menus. Tap Settings and go straight to Notifications or Apps. Once there, locate the specific app causing the light and open its notification options. You want the detailed toggles visible, banners, LED, and lock screen settings because you will disable the LED indicator itself. Make sure to note whether your OS labels it LED or Notification Light. That name guides the next actions you must take. Now disable the LED specifically without killing all alerts. For each offending app, open its notification controls and turn off the LED/light/blink option. If that exact toggle is missing, reduce priority or set notifications to silent. Once done, check system-wide settings under Display, Accessibility, or Developer options for a global notification light switch and turn it off there. If your phone uses third-party LED controls, finish by verifying and testing. Reboot the device and send yourself a test notification to confirm the light is off. If the LED persists, clear the app cache and reset that app's notification preferences, because cache settings can re-enable the light. Once you've tried those steps, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing the LED. Uninstall that app. If nothing works, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. This resolves firmware-level LED conflicts most often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.